Now today we will start our next topic. Our topic name is the number system. In number system there are two number system. One is Indian number system and other is the international number system. So today we will see the Indian number system. So what is this? This is the Indian place value chart. Why this is we are using this period. Here three periods are there. First is a lakh, thousand and ones. So these three are the periods. For 7-digit number, 3 periods are there. So firstly we start from a ones period. So in ones period, 3 places are there. Which are the places now? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This TH means 10,000. L means lakhs and TL means 10 lakh. So these all are the places and these three are the periods in ones period. Now which places are there in ones period? So in ones period there are 3 places: ones, tens and 100. This is a 1 period. Now next period is a 1000. In 1000 period which places are there? 1000 and 10,000. This is a second period. And third is a lakhs. In lakh which places are there? Lakh and 10 lakh. So first group of 3 places. Next group of 2 places. Here is a 2 places are there and here also 2 places are there. But in last one 3 places are there. Ones, tens and 100. So there are 3 periods and in 3 periods last one 3 places are there. In 1000 period 2 places are there and in lakh period there also 2 places are there. And when we are making this group, so we start from a right side. When we are making group, then we start from a right side. And why this is useful? It is useful because of it we can easily read any number. For example, here I am taking any number. So number is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we will regroup it. By seeing this one we can't read it easily. So we make it easy. So we make group. So we make first group and that is the 3 places. So firstly we see places: ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is the THH means 10,000 and lakh. So we make 3 group: 1, 2, 3. So before that give comma. Then next group is 1000. That is next period is 1000. That is 1000 and 10,000. So 2 places are there: 1 and 2. Before that give comma. And this is a lakh period. So how to read this number? So this number is 7,12,345. So this is a useful for us. It is a very easy. By using this Indian place value chart, we can easily regroup the number. So one more example we will see. So example is suppose 8, 4, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we will see this one. Again we start grouping. So we start grouping from right side. So we count firstly 3 places: 1, 2, 3. So give here comma. Then 2 group, 1 and 2. And next group it is automatically formed. Here also 2 numbers are there. That is in lakh group. So how to read it? 84,23,612. So this one is easy. You can easily read this number. And when we are reading number, we start reading from a left side. But when we are grouping this number, that time we start grouping from a right side. So student, I hope you understand this Indian number place value chart. Now next we see the next question. What is the next question? Write the place value of digits. So you know what is the place value? So which one is the place value? This is the places. So what is the place value? In 4th standard we see what is the place value. What is the place value of this 5? It is a 5. Firstly write here ones, tens and 100. Place value of this 6 is a 60. Place value of this 200. Same here. Place value of 1. Place value of 3 is 30. Place value of 5 is a 500. Place value of 6 6,000. Up to 4-digit number you see in a third standard. Now we will see 5-digit number, 6-digit number and 7-digit number. So how to write place value for each digit, for a 6-digit number, 7-digit number. So first one, this is the first 6. What is the value of it? 6. Then what is the value of this one? That is the place value of it is a 10. Then next to 200. Next 9,000. What is the place value of this 8? It is 80,000. Okay. If you are confused, then upside write places like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Now last question. Here also firstly write down places. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and this is a lakh. So place value of this 9 is a 9. Place value of 2, what is the place of this? That is a tens, means 20. Place value of 1 is a 100 because place is a 100. So place value is 100. Next is a 3, that is on a 1,000 place. So what is the place value of it? 3,000. Next is a 6. So what is the place value of this one? That is a 10,000. What is it? 60,000. And last is a 9. That is on a which place? It is on a lakh place. So place value of it is a 9 lakh. So make group. When we are making group, then it is easy for us. So this is the place value of digit. Now we see our next topic. Okay student, now our next topic. Next topic is expanded form. So what is the expanded form? Expanded form means the sum of the place value of each digit. So what is the sum? Sum means addition, and place value, you know place value. Before only we seen place value. So what is the place value of it? Firstly we write this number in a place Indian place value chart. So what is that chart? We start which chart we seen before? Now that same chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So here only 5 digits are there. That's why we write only this one. So this 6 on a ones place, 2 on tens place, 1 on h place. Here is 5 and here is a 3. So this is the place value chart. Okay. So now we expand it. Firstly we write the place value of each digit. So how to write place value of each digit? Firstly read number. What is the number? Number is 35,129. We make a group. So how to make a group? We start grouping from a right side. 1, 2, 3. Give here group. Then we can easily read this number. What is this number? 35,129. So now firstly what we do? We write the place value of each digit. Place value of this 9 is a 9. Place value of this 2. What is it? Tens, means it is a 20. Place value of 1. It is on which place? 100 place. So what is it? 100. Next is a 5. So which place it is? It is on 1,000 place. So place value of it is 5,000. And last is a 3. It is on which place? It is on 10,000. So write here 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 3. It is a 10,000. That is a 30,000. So this is the place value of each digit. Now we have to expand it. Expand it means we have to add it. That is the addition. When we add this place value, all place value of each digit, that is the expanded form. So what is our answer? Final answer is, write what number is there, given number, write that number, then give equal to and then add it. And when we are starting addition or sum, start from a big number. So which one it is? The latest number 30,000 plus 500 5,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 9. So what is this? This we call the expanded form. What is it? This is expanded form and this is the standard numeral. This is the standard numeral and this is the expanded form. Again we see one more example. So we see our next example. So first example, what is example? Example is 45,782. So firstly, what we have to do? Firstly, we will regroup it. How to group? We start counting from a right side. That is a 1, 2 and 3. So here give comma, and next there is a need to regrouping. No, because here two places are there. So no need of it. Now we write this is in Indian place value chart. So what is it? It is a ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. What is it? This is the Indian place value chart. Now we will expand it. So firstly, when we are writing expansion, so before that we write the place value of each digit. So what is the place value of this 2? 2. Place value of 8 is 80. Place value of 7 is 700. Place value of this 5 is 5,000. Place value of this 4, what is it? It is on which place? 10,000. So what is the place value of this 4? Place value of this 4 is 40,000. Now expansion. So write this number. So we write this expansion here. So firstly we start from a biggest number, that is 40,000 plus 500 plus 700 plus 80 plus 2. So what is it? This is the expansion, expanded form, and this expanded form means what is? Sum of the place value of each digit. So this is the sum of this is the place value of each digit. This is the expanded form. We see our next example. So what is example? So we write this example. Now firstly we make a regroup. So how to make a group or periods? So start from a right side, three places, 1, 2 and 3. So give here comma. So now easily we can read this number. What is this number? 44,858. Okay. So after that we write the Indian place value chart. So what is that chart? This is the ones place, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. This is the Indian place value chart. After that what we have to do? Next we have to write the place value of each number. So place value of 8 of this 5, that is a 50, 8, 800, 4, 4,000 and this 4, that is a 40,000. Now we write the expanded. We add this. What is it? First 40 plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 8. So what is it? This is the expansion of this number. So now we see our next example. So firstly before that we roughly next example. What is the next example? 1, 2, 5, 9, 6, 3. So firstly what we do? Firstly we give commas and we start make a group from a right side. So count 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Give here comma. Then 2 places. 1, 2. And here 1. There is a no need. So what is this number? Read this number. So firstly give places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and this is the lakh. So now easily we can read this number. What is this number? 1,25,963. So we write the place value of each number. So 3 of this number is 60. Next one 900. Next one, what is it? It is 1000. So place value 5,000. Place value of these two, that is 20,000. And last one is a lakh. How many digit number it is? It is a 6-digit number. So 1, then C. 1, this is the lakh, then 1000, 10,000, then this one. Okay, so this is the 1 lakh. By seeing this, we have to, what is this? These are the place value of each digit. So now we add or make a sum of these all digits. So we start from the greatest number. 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 60 and last plus 3. So this is the expansion of this number. Now next number. So what is the next number? Next number is 826,101. So firstly what we have to do? We make a grouping. So start from the right side. Which how many places? 1, 2, 3. Give here comma. Next 1, 2 and give here comma. Now give places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So what is the place value of what is the place of 1? That is ones, that is a 1. Then for 10, 0. Then 100 for 1, 1,006, 10,002 and lakh 8. So what is this number? We read 8,26,101. So what is this number? Once again we read it. 8,26,101. Now what we to do? We will write the place value. Place value of 1 is 1. Place value of 0 is 0. If 0 is there, it is on any place. If it is on a ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, anywhere, always the place value of the 0 is 0. So write here 0. Next 100, then 6,000, then 20,000. Last is 8 lakh. So what is the expansion of it? We write sum of this. So 8 lakh plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 1. If we write 0 is okay. If we not write, then also okay, no problem. So now we will see our last example. What is the last one? We write that number. 5, 3, 2, 9, 9, 8. So firstly we write the, firstly we give commas. We start grouping from right side. 1, 2, 3. Give here comma. Then two group. 1, 2. This is on a, so this is in which which period? It is in ones period. This one is 1000 period and this 5 it is on a lakh period. So how to read this number? 5,32,998. So firstly we write Indian place value chart, that is the ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So write down place value. 8, 90, 900. Next is 2,000. Next 30,000. last 5 lakh. So what is this? This is the place value of each digit. Now we will write sum of it. Firstly 5 lakh, then next is plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 8. Okay student, so here we completed this one. So what is it? This is the expanded. This is a very easy, you can easily do it student. So now today we will see our next topic. So what is our next topic? Here we write expanded form. What we write? Expanded form. But in next topic we have to write standard numeral. Expanded form given. By using that expanded form we will write standard numeral. So what is it? So we see one example. So first example, suppose 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 6. So what is this? This is the expanded form. By using this expanded form, we have to write, what we have to write? We have to write the standard numeral. So how to write it? How to write this standard numeral? So see here, this is on which place? This is on 10,000 place. So firstly we write the this one places ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. See. So ones place, which number is there? That is the 6. Then tens place 4, 100 place 3, then 1,000 place 2 and 10,000 place 1. So what is this number? This is the standard numeral. And what is this number? We can firstly regroup it. We can make a group. So this one. So 12,346. Now we see next example. What is the next example? We write 80000 plus 4000 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 3. What is this? This is the standard numeral. This is the expanded form. And what we have to write? We have to write the standard numeral. So how to write it? Again we can do same way. Otherwise see here. First number. What is first number? 8. Next is a 4. Right. 4. Then what is the next? 5. Next 2. Then next 1. And then 3. So now this is the standard numeral. We can make group and we read this number. 1, 2, 3. Give here comma and give here also comma. So how to read this number? 8,45,213. So this is the standard numeral. Now we see next example. Next example. Then this is a 90 lakh, 7 lakh, 10,000, then 4,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 7. So now write the standard numeral for this. So firstly, which number is there? That is the 9. So we write here 9, then 7. Then what is next number? 1. Then next 4. Next 2. Then 8 and then 7. Okay. So now this is the standard standard numeral. We will regroup it and we read this number. We start regrouping from right side. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and this is on one group. So how to read this number? What is this number? 97,14,287. Next one. 0, that is the 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 8. So again we see same thing. So we start from a 6. Next number is a 4. Then after that what is number? 1. Then next 2 and last 80. 8. So make a regroup. Regroup 8. 1, 2, 3. Give comma. What is number? 64,128. Again we see one more example. What is it? This is the 90 lakh. Then 9 lakh. Then 90,000. 90,000. Then 9,000. Then 900 plus 90 plus 9. So now we write the standard numeral for this expanded form. So firstly we write 9. Then what is next number? That is also 9. Then what is the next number? That is the C. This is the 90 lakh. This is the 9 lakh. This is the 90,000. Next one 900. Next 90 lakh. 90,000. Then this 9. Then this 900. This 90 and 9. Now we make a regroup it. So we start regrouping from a right side. 1, 2, 3, give comma, 1, 2 and this is the 2 places. So how to read this number? What is this number? 99,99,999. Okay student, I hope you understand this one. Student, I hope you understand this one. So that's all for today. Remaining we will see in next period. Thank you and have a nice day.